Welcome to this tutorial. In this lesson, we'll explore Identity and Access Management, IAM, in the cloud. Understanding IAM is essential for securing cloud environments and ensuring proper access control. Let's dive right in. The objectives of these lesson is that you will be able to 1. Understand Role-Based Access Control, RBAC, and its key components. 2. Explain the principle of least privilege, PoLP, and its significance in security. 3. Identify best practices for implementing RBAC and PoLP in cloud environments. 4. Recognize the importance of multi-factor authentication, MFA, and single sign-on, SSO, in access management. 5. Differentiate between various cloud permission and policy models. To start, let's look at Role-Based Access Control, or RBAC. RBAC is a security model that grants access based on a user's role rather than assigning permissions directly. This makes access management more efficient and secure. RBAC consists of three main components. 1. Roles, defined based on job functions, such as administrator, developer, or auditor. 2. Permissions, specific access rights assigned to roles, like read, write, or execute. 3. Users, individuals assigned to roles, inheriting associated permissions. RBAC is widely used in cloud security, with AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, offering role-based access control to manage resource permissions effectively. Next, we have the principle of least privilege, or PoLP. This principle ensures that users, applications, and processes have only the minimum access necessary to perform their tasks. Key aspects of principle of least privilege include 1. Limiting user access to essential permissions. 2. Restricting administrative access to reduce security risks. Using time-based access controls, like just-in-time permissions. 4. Regularly monitoring and reviewing permissions to ensure compliance. All of these keys enforces PoLP. Organizations minimize the attack surface and prevent accidental misconfigurations. To implement RBAC and PoLP effectively, follow these best practices. 1. Define clear roles and responsibilities to align with business needs. 2. Enforce separation of duties to prevent conflicts of interest. 3. Use just-in-time access to grant temporary elevated permissions when necessary. 4. Regularly audit permissions and remove unnecessary access rights. 5. Automate role assignments to streamline access management. RBAC and PoLP together help organizations improve security, compliance, and operational efficiency. Authentication plays a vital role in IAM. Let's explore two key mechanisms: multi-factor authentication, MFA, and single sign-on, SSO. MFA requires users to verify their identity using multiple factors, such as 1. Something you know, a password or PIN. 2. Something you have, a smartphone, security token, or smart card. 3. Something you are, biometric data like fingerprints or facial recognition. Cloud providers like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud support MFA to enhance account security. On the other hand, single sign-on, SSO, allows users to log in once and access multiple applications without re-entering credentials. This improves user experience and security by centralizing authentication. Now, let's talk about managing permissions and policies in cloud environments. Cloud providers use different models to control access. 1. Attribute-based access control grants access based on attributes like job title or location. 2. Discretionary access control allows resource owners to manage permissions. 3. Mandatory access control uses strict policies set by administrators. Each cloud provider has its own implementation. 1. AWS IAM, IAM users, groups, roles, and policies. 2. Azure RBAC, assigns roles with scope-based permissions. 3. Google Cloud IAM, manages permissions at different resource levels. To effectively manage permissions in the cloud, follow these best practices. 1. Apply the principle of least privilege to limit access. 2. Use role-based access control for structured permission management. 3. Implement multi-factor authentication for additional security. 4. Regularly audit access permissions to detect and remove unused roles. Proper permission management ensures compliance and minimizes security risks in cloud environments. We've covered a lot of ground in this lesson. Let's do a quick recap. RBAC assigns permissions based on roles, simplifying access management. PoLP ensures users have only the necessary permissions, reducing security risks. 3. MFA adds an extra layer of authentication security. 4. SSO improves user experience by enabling seamless access to multiple applications. 5. Cloud IAM policies help enforce access control at different levels. To wrap up your learning, we've included a short quiz to test your understanding of IAM in cloud environments. This will help reinforce the material and ensure you're ready to apply what you've learned. Before you go, take your learning to the next level. Click the link in the description to access this lesson inside the MotivaLogic Academy Learning Management System. There, you'll find a quiz for every lesson, hands-on labs, and real-world projects designed to test and strengthen your understanding. While you're there, explore our full catalog of advanced, hands-on courses and downloadable resources, all created to help you move from theory to real-world expertise faster. Ready to gain real industry experience? Work on practical projects, collaborate with other professionals, and build a strong GitHub portfolio that sets you apart and accelerates your career. Click the work experience link in the description below to register your interest. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And turn on notifications so you never miss a future lesson. Thank you for watching this video to the end. See you in the next video.